Hey guys, it's Annie from the Steam Engine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take a 3D printed object straight off the printer and turn it into a nice finished product. The first thing you're going to need is your 3D printed object. You're also going to need a couple of different types of sandpaper. Here I'm using 80 grit sandpaper, 320 grit sandpaper, and 600 grit sandpaper. It's not necessary for you to have all these different types. I would recommend either an 80 or 100 grit sandpaper and then something that's way smoother, or just go ahead and get a 320. And here you can see he's finished with the sanding. I didn't get every spot 100% perfect. I personally don't care all too much if there are grooves and lines on mine, but I'll leave that up to you guys. You will also need an acrylic paint to paint your figure. Took 4 coats of green paint, acrylic paint, and 1 coat of silver. The silver is actually a spray paint because I didn't have any silver acrylic paint, but you can use it just the same way. If you want to make sure the paint doesn't ever come off, you can use some sort of acrylic sealer spray. You can get that at a hobby store, and you just spray it down and make sure that the spray sets and it's not sticky. And then you've got a little action figure that you made all yourself. Thank you for watching.